Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app location tracking in HOTWAV T5 Pro. So first open the settings, then go to the apps and go to the seal apps. Now just look for the app that you want to turn off the app tracking, like a Google Chrome. Now select the permissions, and as you can see, Google Chrome have a location permission on my device, so if you want to deny it, just open it and select don't allow. Choose don't allow anyway, and with this location permission setup, the Google Chrome or any other app cannot track your position anymore. You can also click on the see all apps to check all the apps with the location permission. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or recommend, and goodbye.